Hi, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of our little jaunt up into the Lake District with the motorbikes. We've just had breakfast and had a little walk and show you the view that we've got this morning. Our hotel, Pennington, is just over there. Chucked it down overnight, didn't it? We could hear the rain pelting down, so that's why we're giving it a little bit of time for the roads to dry out. Plan today is we're going to go up past Wastwater or Wastewater to Wasdale Head. It's fantastic scenery there, and one of the biggest, deepest lakes is Wastwater there, and it's where most of the walkers go to do Fell. We're going to go back, get changed, get a bike gear on, and we'll catch up with you back on the road. See you in a bit. I think he's had a bad night, don't you? Yes, seen better days. Right guys, well, this is Wastwater, however you pronounce it. Sorry about the wind noise. I didn't put the camera on down the valley because there was just a stream of cars. Park there, look. I'll stick the camera back on as we head right the way down to the end of the valley there, where it's called Wasdale Head. What a view. Hopefully you can see some of the beauty of this lake. Apparently it's 3 miles long and I think about 250 feet deep, if Wikipedia is correct. Oh dear, that wasn't a good idea, was it? Stuck in the peat. It did. I think, guys, if we're being completely honest, Carol's not really enjoying this gnarly road experience. Yeah, she said she likes the view, but she doesn't like the road, so probably need to find some slightly faster roads. Lots of great walking around here. The lower peaks are open, the mist's not on them, but all the high stuff is still completely mist bound. So I think Scarfell Pike is over that way. Coming to the end of the lake here. Well, that's handy, thank you. I'm coming in. We were just hoping to grab a cup of coffee, that's all. Is that okay? 3 hours will be okay? Sorry? 3 hours. Yeah. Half an hour. Well, it's a nice stop over. Back on the road. We're having a slight change of heart on where we're going to go next, I think, because as you can see, the World and his wife are up in the Lake District today. We're going to get back out to the end of the valley here, and instead of going left up Hard Knot, we're going to go right, and then we're going to go into the top of the next valley along, and we're going to go up to the Honister Slate mine. And by doing that, we're going to go hopefully over Honister Pass. Well, guys, that's where you don't park. Courser in a bog. Is it still in it? Yeah, it's still there. marooned. He's marooned. Yep. Definitely a tractor job, I think. Or about 20 burly men. Yeah, I'm ready. You ready?
Yep.
It's much more like it, isn't it, Carol? The sun's out now.
I'm much
There isn't
happier.
a million other cars around. It's quite a cool little place around here, isn't it? Saying, I don't think either of us have been down here before, have we?
No.
Now, who's going to go over the cattle grid first?
He is.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you didn't give us much choice, did you, mate? Really? You were coming through. Yeah, we're in Ennerdale. That's different to the TV programme, isn't it?
Yeah, that's Emmerdale.
Ah, right, okay. I don't watch it. Ooh, sheep on the road.
That one up on that wall, how's he got up there?
He's eating the spiky things on the hedge. It's like those goats. You seen the goats in is it Africa that climb the trees?
Really?
Yeah, there's climbing goats, you know. Not quite sure how they do it, but they do. I'll see if I can find, trawl the internet and see if I can find a picture of a tree climbing goat. Look at that for a view, eh? Yeah, right the way back up to the sea. Just beautiful, beautiful. I think we're on the road less travelled, isn't it? I think sometimes the most popular tourist areas aren't the best. Certainly not the best when we're riding a motorcycle. I think the thing with the road round here, we've got mostly sort of retirees and dog walkers, whereas Wasdale, you've got some really on climbers and walkers that are all there to go and walk the mountains.
There are quite a lot of people with canoes and, you know, those paddleboard things.
Yeah, those upright paddle boards, yeah. Right.
Quite a hive of activity, really, on the lake there. It was nice, but just too many of them.
Ennerdale Bridge, and we're heading towards Cockermouth. Hit the Nationals! And Bruce would say, Nationals! We ain't going 60 mile an hour down here, I can tell you that. Even I'm not that crazy. For a national speed limit sign, then 100 yards on it, a 40, then a giveaway. What a waste of signage. It's just stupid, isn't it? What's the point? guys, is the 5289 B5289. Oh, it's looking mountainy ahead.
Yeah.
Is that a word?
Mountainy.
Mountainy.
I suppose it is now.
A bit bumpy along here. Scenery's making up for it though.
Oh, there we are.
Oh, look at that, guys. What a sight. We're proper in the mountains now, gal.
Barbecue going.
Yeah, can smell burgers. Why not, eh? It's a bit special round here, isn't it?
Beautiful, yeah.
Ooh, dicey as well. It's when they stick the reverse lights on and you got a motorbike behind you.
I know.
That's what's the worst. Busy, busy, busy. That's what happens to beautiful places, I'm afraid.
It is lovely, but...
It is lovely, yeah. Proper lovely.
It'd be better midweek, I think.
Yeah, look at that. That's what to be doing, kayaking across the middle.
It's cool, isn't it?
It's pretty cool. I think there's a couple of two-man kayaks. Oh man, look at that! Look at that!
Dad's got a painting on his wall with those trees at the end of the lake.
Really?
Must have been
It is.
took from a boat or something, but it was that and the crags above, and just lovely picture.
No, it is. It is. We haven't ridden in the lake for years, have we?
No, well, we don't really tend to ride around here. 'Cause they're not particularly riding roads, but scenic. They
Scenic,
really are.
definitely, yeah. Fun riding routes. There's only some of them. The one round the edge that we were doing a little bit earlier was
Yeah,
good,
that was
wasn't
nice. Yeah, got some nice curves.
But these little roads are just too busy with tourists. It'll be nice if we
It's
could park on the
lovely along
beach.
the way.
Got it fenced off to stop us bikers go driving onto the beach.
No, I don't think I fancy driving on the beach. You've seen
Not
what
like
happened.
$1 million bogan.
Yeah, it didn't end well, did it?
Well, I don't know, he managed to get his bike back, didn't he?
Yeah, with a guy came along with a 4x4 to rescue him.
He did, didn't he? Yeah. Yeah.
He was lucky.
He was really lucky. Because from the tide coming in as well.
Yeah.
That's quite some view, isn't it?
Beautiful,
All the
yeah.
way up the valley.
Stunning.
Can't keep saying stunning though, can we? We need
No.
all the words.
It reminds me a little bit of Glencoe when you go up that valley there.
Yeah.
Only that's bigger. Even more impressive, isn't it?
it's a compact Scotland,
Yeah,
isn't it? The Lake
it is,
District,
yeah.
a very compact Scotland. We'll see if we can get into the Slate Mine car park at the top. Really boulder strewn, isn't it?
Massive.
Gonna wave to him, getting his shot. Oh, yes, yes, yes. reaching for first, but I'm already there.
I've just had to go down to first.
I haven't got anything lower.
I'm really glad you re-geared this.
I'm glad I re-geared that here. 70 mile an hour in first was a bit quick, really, wasn't it?
Amazing bit of road, really, isn't it?
Oh, terrific bit of road.
Somebody stood up there on the wall.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why you've got a picture of you, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I think the turn is just up there, isn't it? Where that wall is. I have got a picture of me on that wall somewhere. It's not actually somebody stood on the wall, it's a statue.
It's a statue, isn't it?
Yeah. It's weird, isn't it? I think I was stood on the wall the other side looking out. No, I was stood on that one. I was stood there. Well, I don't know. It's quite a sharp turn into this calf on your right. Car park's down to your right.
Perfect, that's nice.
Oh, look at that.
Very nice.
And park right up to the edge. So, what do you think, guys? Not bad, is it? Not a bad view. That was a top spot, wasn't it, Carol?
Yeah, really nice.
Absolutely top spot. Beautiful coffee and ginger cake.
And a great view.
Oh, look at that view. Sat right just there. Brilliant. Right, so what we're going to do, we've been up from that way and we're going to carry on that way, even though it's taking us further from the digs and it's already 4:30 at night. So we're going to head towards Keswick and
back along the A66.
yeah. She's gone without me, guys. She's gone without me.
Where are you? I thought you were behind me, sorry.
Don't worry about me.
You'll catch
I was
up.
only having a little manoeuvre in the car park. Oh yes, look at the view.
That's stunning, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Best bit of the day so far.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh, no, I haven't got any lower gears than that. First it is. I'll perhaps give the back brake a bit of exercise.
Oh, that'll make a change.
The very rarely used back brake can have a little bit of wear.
Mine hardly gets used at all.
Oh yeah. I mean, both of these bike engines will rev and rev and rev. You can
I know, you don't worry
hold
about
it
it.
in first gear.
Yeah, I think it
And
sounds
they both
quite,
rev
quite
round to about 12,000.
I think it sounds quite good.
It sounds quite good.
Especially when it goes pop and bang.
Pop and bang. You're easily pleased, aren't you? See, you've got all the makings of somebody to like an aftermarket exhaust. You're like me, you like it, but in small doses. Oh man, it's beautiful. The thing is with the Lake District, it's so compact, isn't it? It's not like Scotland. You've got to go for miles and miles to get from one bit to another in Scotland, where it's all really I mean,
Yeah.
we haven't done many miles
Hardly
at all
any
today, have we?
miles. No, hardly any miles. at
I
all.
can't see because I've got my camera blocking it, but
36 miles since fill up, so we did about 40 before fill up, didn't we?
so we've not done 100 miles yet.
No, not today. Waterfall down there.
Oh dear, we've lost dash cam now.
Lost dash cam.
Yeah, from cam.
Oh, the one pointing at your face.
Yeah.
It's
Doesn't
lost
really-
then, is it?
Cheeky sod. It's not really, is it? Because we've both taken Monday off from work, we've got another day. Well, we've got a day to get back home.
We've
haven't
got to
we?
get back home. Yeah, we can't.
We have to
do
get
this.
back south.
We have got to go
south
to
of
work on
Midlands.
Tuesday. Well, I've got to go to work on Tuesday.
I've got to go to work on
Oh
Tuesday.
yeah, you're
I
working
know.
on Tuesday.
No work for myself, but I have to go in sometimes. And tomorrow, Tuesday's unavoidable. It's just so nice when you're not stuck in a whole line of cars as well.
Yeah,
Isn't it? That's been the story of today, really, hasn't it?
yeah.
Lines and lines.
Well, it's been
of
better
cars.
since we got out of Wastwater and around that area. It's been better.
Yeah,
Getting off the
Once we got
normal
up on
tourist
Cold
routes.
Fell, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that was nice.
yeah, it was nice. I mean, it wasn't as beautiful as what this is. This is really rugged, isn't it? But
It's a great road.
this is a brilliant road. Absolutely brilliant. Goes with my theory of some of the best roads are by rivers.
Well, they are. They always, yeah. That one in the Pecos that follows that river down from Kangas.
Oh,
Amazing
man, that
road.
is still an amazing.
Yeah.
That is the amazing road, isn't it?
Oh, we're
Well,
taking
good.
a
Yeah,
left.
we're going to go left down there.
Yeah.
That was good. Hey, look at that view. Nothing behind me, is there? I'm going to stop.
Okay.
I'll stop on top. Oh, God, come in. Oh, it's like a double bridge, isn't it?
A nice little village. Lots of pubs and
It looks quite a nice
cafes.
place, this, doesn't it?
doesn't it?
Can't see it. Where you go?
Just followed the road round.
There's loads of pubs there, isn't there?
Yeah, it looks a great place to go. That's a
That
good
is
place
a
to base
lovely
yourself
spot, that
there,
is.
isn't it?
Oop.
About a tiny village with about 4 hours and about 15 pubs on.
That's some of my sort of village, that is. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful here.
Old red telephone boxes as well.
I'm struggling to catch up at the
It's
moment.
still there. I'll slow down.
No, it's okay. I keep getting caught by cars.
That's the thing.
Oh yes, red phone box.
Gates Hotel. Very nice.
Does look nice, doesn't it? 4-star hotel. We're only in a 3.
The car's parked up here.
Blimey, what's so special about this bit? I think those cones stop you falling into a big hole at the side of the road.
Yeah, looks like it. Doesn't it? The cones fell in. Look.
The cone's in the hole. Whoa, doggy. Why is it dogs dive out at motorbikes? We're not very good at telling the viewers exactly where we are we?
Well, that would help if we knew.
It would, wouldn't it? Ooh, rocking the road. Gonna do a bit of a double back to the right here. We are heading to Keswick, look, 3
Yeah.
miles.
That's fine. Let's get to Keswick and get on the A66 and zoom back round then. So
Zoom.
zoom, yeah.
You like zooming? You're getting your zoom mojo back a bit, aren't you? Wasn't quite there this morning, but it's
No,
coming back.
I wasn't happy this morning, but I'm happy now.
Good. Anyway, I think the batteries are probably running down on the GoPro. Are we going to sign off for today, do you think?
I think so, yes. I think I need to concentrate on just riding on these
Yeah,
roads.
we're very close to getting into Keswick, so we've got some more fast roads to blat away back round to Ravenglass, and we'll see what the weather's doing tomorrow and whether we've got any more interesting roads to ride. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. We've really enjoyed the riding, haven't we?
Yes,
it's been a great day, especially once we got back out of that valley. So thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.
Bye.
Bye bye.